Today we are going to discuss about share market. Whenever we are watching news or reading newspaper, we always come across share market. Share market has skyrocketed, bulls are in full control, share market is moving sideways, share market has nosedived by so and so points. But one question always pops up in the mind. What is share market? Why is it so significant for a country's economy? To understand this, let's go back in time to explore how the concept of share market started. Amsterdam, 1611. In 1600s, the Dutch East India Company employed hundreds of ships to trade gold, brocklin, spices, and seals around the globe. Running such a business was a capital-intensive job. Building ships, employing crew members, maintenance, loss of ships. To raise funds, the company turned to general public, who could invest their money to support the trip. In exchange, they were given the share in the company and the company's profits. This concept was super successful. The Dutch East India Company now could afford even grander voyages, which in turn increased companies and their investors' profits. Share certificate then started trading in shipping ports across the continent, unknowingly inventing the world's first share market. Coming back to the modern day, the share market now has become significantly more complicated with many new instruments like derivatives, mutual funds, etc. With the dawn of internet, the world has become even smaller. A person can execute his trades in New York Stock Exchange sitting at a village in India. The Demat account has made the physical share certificate obsolete. Not only the wealthy and powerful, but even a small investor can now invest and help businesses grow. When a person invests in the share market, he is providing funds to a company and in exchange gets share in the company. The investor becomes a partly owner of that company. The company uses these funds to grow its businesses. When a business grows, the profit increases for the company and its investors. Apart from this, the growing company generates more employment. When a huge population in an economy is employed, the spending increases, which increases the demand of goods and services, which in turn help other businesses to grow. Importantly, the country's economy booms and flourishes. It is a chain reaction of growth which takes place. When you invest in share market, you become the important part of this growth story, making your share market investment a noble investment.
If you have liked the video, do give it a like, share and subscribe for more knowledge about the financial world. And also you can follow us on other social media platforms. Aditej Finserv signing off.